Hello, my wonderful and beautiful viewers. I know that for a very long time now, you have not seen me put a YouTube video on my channel. That is because I have been very busy. Yes, I have some engagement things that I learn. But notwithstanding, I am here in full flesh and blood. I shall sing for you now. The title of this song is Baby by Josephine Obieba. I know that you know that wonderful boy, that white boy that has a beautiful voice. Well, let me sing my version. And I was like, baby, 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 oh, oh, baby, 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 oh, oh, baby, 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 money, oh. I thought you always be mine, oh, hey, oh, baby, 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 oh, oh, baby, 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 oh, oh, baby, 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 more. I thought you always be mine, oh, mine, be mine, oh, mine, be mine, oh, mine, be mine. Don't run away, always be mine, always be mine, oh, always be mine, oh. Don't run away, always be mine. Thank you, oh. Ngwano, I will give you more videos. Ngwano, watch this and enjoy. Bye bye, oh. It is your boy, Emeka.